Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to show you our most favorite high chair. This is a lightweight, foldable, easy to install and durable high chair. We've been using this for my son since he started to sit, and it's been like 2 years, like he's going to be almost 3, and he still uses it and will be using it more. We actually bought this for many others as a gift because this is so good for us. This has just a lever, there's no screws, and easy to install and easy to detach. You could just fold it so easily and then take it anywhere else, like a restaurant, or we also took this to India while we traveled and used this there as well. This is not only for eating, my son loves swinging in there. Also, when I just give some toys, he just sits there and keeps playing with it. It's so much fun and so much easy for me to cook from there, so that I could keep an eye on him. This comes in different colors, and we have chosen the green color here. And this is the Amazon page. You could see how easy it is to install and how foldable. You could use it anywhere. You could keep it in your drawer like that. So they also give you a bag where you could just fold and keep it inside and take it anywhere else. Here it's given us $60, but we bought it around $40. So keep an eye on all the offers there, because you will have so many offers coming along. And you see the 3 colors, and it holds up to 37 pounds. I think my son has been fitting still now. He's going to be 3 and will be fitting more. There are a few disadvantages with this product. One is you cannot take to all other rooms like how other eye chairs are, where you have the wheels. It's not so easy. You have to just uninstall and then again install wherever you want. And it is a little bit smaller compared to the standard eye chairs. Also, it does not fit all the tables. For example, our table, it does not fit, so we have to use it in the countertop. Otherwise, it's perfectly working for us. As you see, it folds so flat, and it has aluminum just clamps, no screws, and it's so easy to install. Hope this video was useful for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye. Can you show a happy face? Nalan, happy face, please. Okay, sad face. Angry face. Excited face.